MSc in Healthcare Management will provide you skills and knowledge to work on executive and operational challenges in health and social care sector. You will develop strategic leadership and problem-solving skills, underpinned by key management insights and research-driven analysis. Contemporary healthcare management faces enormous challenges and requires leaders that provide effective management and oversight of healthcare organizations. Healthcare managers need refined leadership, strong communication skills, and advanced organizational capabilities that are applicable to both private and public healthcare organizations.
You can study this course over 12 or 18 months. All students follow the same core program. Our flexible online MSc offers a transformational learning experience that allows you to study in your own time, at your own pace. These qualifications are designed for learners who are typically aged 21 and above. To be eligible, you should have a bachelor's degree or an equivalent professional qualification. Learners who do not hold a degree or equivalent qualification can also apply if they have 5 years or more of management experience.
Businesses can't keep running as usual, and you're the one who's going to change it. To learn more, visit our website today.